power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, because I found a stick and I'm using.
Hello? Here, help me take this inside. Grab it, take it. Okay, now go inside. Get it, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my edges back. I got my edges back. This is my dog's bed. As you can see, she has a pillow, a squirrel, a bone. She has heaters for when it's cold, a fan for when it's hot right now, food, water, access to the outdoors right there. But where does she like to sleep? Indoors. Hey, I have to tell you something. Look, you're adopted.
If you like my puppy and you think he's really neat, you should like this video so he gets another treat. I think he's really cute and I bet that you do too. If you like my puppy.
Molly, this is an orange. Okay? This is an apple. Show me the orange.
Les vitons j'étais et les jantons les opas, les chisons l'été, en poids je les dents, les tisponero, mon don les opas, les dons les éo.
This my little doggo friend, she likes to go on walks. She does almost everything, but she just cannot talk. This morning she went up the stairs, the doggo friend she cried, 'cause when December comes around, the doggo will stay inside.
One, two, three.